Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to fix Roblox error code 600. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. So the first method is to check your internet connection. Ensure you have a stable internet connection, or you can also restart your router if needed. Method number 2 is to clear browser cache. So to do that, open Chrome. At the top right, click the three dots to open the menu. Then click Settings in the menu, and on the sidebar menu, click Privacy and Security. Then click Cookies and Other Site Data. And now enable the option Clear Cookies and Site Data when you close all window. Method number 3 is to disable VPN or proxy. Turn off any active VPN or proxy services, as they can interfere with the connection. Method number 4 is to reinstall Roblox. Uninstall Roblox from your device and then download and reinstall it from the official website. And lastly is to check Roblox server status. Visit Roblox status page to see if the servers are down or experiencing issues. And there you go. These steps should help you resolve the error. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!